Woo! Hey guys, it's AmiLin, and today I'm going to show you how to make mini spiked peppermint hot chocolate. I am so excited to make these for the holiday season. Let's get to it! I just grabbed this pan off of the stove. I've already prepared my hot chocolate using a mix and some milk, and I'm just gonna pour it here. And now to make it boozy, I'm going to add the peppermint schnapps. And I'm gonna give this a little whiff because I'm curious how it smells. Woo! That is very pepperminty. And I'm just going to pour it into this glass here so that I can use my measuring cup later. That might have been a little generous. So I thought it'd be really cute if I made mini versions of this drink. And so I'm just going to pour my mixture into these shot glasses here. Now to top it off, I'm adding a dollop of whipped cream and some crushed candy canes. Ooh, I love how these turned out, and I think they're the perfect way to get into the holiday spirit. Cheers!